Good morning, students. Say your prayer. Thank you. நான் ஒரு நல்லாசிரியர். நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து முறையாக அன்போடு கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்லாசிரியர். நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து முறையாக அன்போடு கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்லாசிரியர். நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து முறையாக அன்போடு கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். Okay, students. So take your social science book. Yeah, take page number 159. So today we will move to the next topic, multi-purpose river value project. So rivers. So already we have discussed about the Indian rivers in very first lesson. Yeah, so the important. So say some of the important rivers of India. Yeah, Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, Narmada, Tapti. So there are lot of rivers. Yeah. So in these rivers we have constructed dams. So do you know? Yeah, so you heard about the Mettur Dam. Yeah. So why the dam was constructed? Yeah. Then, so say some other important dams in India. So can you tell me? Yeah. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about so why we have constructed the dam. Yeah. So that is the multi-purpose river value project. Yeah. And some of the important dams in India. Yeah. So there are a lot of dams in India. So just we discuss about a few. Yeah, so the dams constructed in which river so the states get benefited. Yeah, so the name of the states which get benefited so by those dams, so by those projects. Yeah, so we will discuss in this topic. So just to recall what we have discussed in our last class. Yeah, we discussed about irrigation. So irrigation is nothing but so supply of water to agricultural plants by artificial means. Okay, so since India is a tropical country and its rainfall is seasonal, irrigation is necessary. Yeah. Then the sources of irrigation. So what are the three sources of irrigation? Yeah, canal irrigation, well irrigation, then tank irrigation. Yeah. So canal irrigation, so the second most popular one, and there are two types in canal irrigation. So what are they? Yeah, inundation canal, then perennial canal. Okay, then we discussed about well irrigation. So well, so nothing but hole or trough, so which is vertical, excavated in earth, so by human beings, so for bringing groundwater up to the surface. Okay, so there are two types of well irrigation. Yeah. So what are they? Yeah, open well, then tube well. Yeah. So then we discussed so in which region so the open wells are found in common and tube wells. Yeah. And then we discussed about tank irrigation and why tank irrigation is popular in peninsular India. So we have discussed that also. Then finally we discussed about the modern irrigation method. Yeah. So what are the modern way of irrigation that are followed in India? Yeah, drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, rain gun, and central pivot irrigation. So we have discussed that each method of modern irrigation method. Yeah, so modern irrigation method, it saves water. Yeah, so since India is a most populated country, it is the most modern one, and people prefer to use this technique. Yeah, so because of the more population. Yeah, so because of the most population, and also the seasonal rainfall, irregular rainfall. Okay, so in today's class we will discuss about the multi-purpose river value project. Yeah, so last class we discussed about irrigation. So now we will discuss about multi-purpose river value project. So multi-purpose river value project. So nothing but so scientific management of water resources in our country. Yeah, so how we preserve, how we manage the water resources. Yeah, so how we use the water resources in our country in scientific way. So that is the multi-purpose river value project. Yeah. So why we construct a dam across the rivers? If there is any single aim or multiple aim? Yeah, there are lot of aim. Yeah, so construction of there are lot of purpose. So construction of dam across river is aimed at many purposes. So that's why it is termed as multi-purpose river valley project. Yeah, so we are constructing dam across the river. It is not for a single purpose. So there are multiple purpose. So that's why it was called as multi-purpose river valley project. Yeah. So don't think that the dams were constructed only in order to save water. Okay, so in order to save water. So not only for save water. Yeah. So it is constructed for various purposes, such as for irrigation. Yeah. Then hydropower generation, well. Yeah. So commonly, so dam is used for irrigation purpose. That is for it saves water during rainy season, and it supplies water during dry seasons. Okay. And also the hydropower generations, electricity production. Yeah. So in dams we produce electricity. Then apart from that, water supply for drinking and industrial purpose, controlling flood. Yeah. So dams are constructed to control flood. Then development of fisheries. So since water is there, yeah, so throughout the year it is helpful in fish development. Then navigation. So sometimes it is used for transport. So navigation. Okay. So the various purpose of dam serves are irrigation, hydropower generation, water supply for drinking and industrial purpose, controlling flood, development of fisheries, navigation, etc. Generally, majority of multi-purpose project are combination of irrigation and hydropower, which are major aims of the project. Yeah, so most of the multi-purpose project are aimed at a combination of both irrigation and hydropower. Yeah, so wherever you see dams, you can see hydropower generation mainly. Yeah, and also it is for irrigation. Yeah, so the supply of water. Okay, so whenever there is any failure in rainfall, so if the water is in dam, means the government so release the water for cultivation purpose, no, irrigation purpose, no. Yeah, so often heard in news. Yeah, so chief minister ordered to release water from a particular dam, say for example Mettur dam. Yeah, so for irrigation purpose. Yeah, so that's why. So multi-purpose project so mainly aims at irrigation and also hydropower generation. Okay, so multi-purpose project. So nothing but scientific management of water resources in our country. So there are many purposes. So construction of dam across river is aimed at many purposes, especially irrigation, hydropower generation, water supply for irrigation, industrial purpose, controlling flood, etc. Okay, so now come to page number 160 and 161. Yeah. So in today's class, we will discuss about the projects. Yeah. So the list of projects. Okay. So there are a lot of dams. Already I have told you. But in this class, yeah, so in this book, they mention about just 11 projects. Yeah. So the most important projects of multi-purpose river valley project of India. So Damodar Valley project, then Bakra Nangal project. So Bakra Nangal project, it is the highest gravity dam in the world. Yeah. Then Hirakud project, so longest dam. Yeah, it is the longest dam in the world. Yeah. So Bakra Nangal, highest gravity dam. Yeah, so it was built on the highest gravity. Yeah, so it was built on the river Satluj. Then Hirakud, so longest dam. So the world longest dam is Hirakud. Then Kosi project. Then Tungabhadra project, then Teri Dam, then Chambal Valley project, then Nagarjuna Sagar project, then Sardar Sarovar project, then Indira Gandhi Canal project, then Mettur Dam. So Mettur Dam, which is in Kaveri River. Yeah, it is in Tamil Nadu. Yeah. So Damodar Valley project, Bakra Nangal project, Hirakud project, Kosi project, Tungabhadra project, Teri Dam project, Chambal Valley project, Nagarjuna Sagar project, Sardar Sarovar project, Indira Gandhi Canal project, Mettur Dam project. So Damodar Valley project. So it was built across the river Damodar. Yeah, so Damodar Valley project is aimed at benefiting the states of Jharkhand and West Bengal. Yeah, so they are in east part of India. Yeah, so Damodar Valley project. Okay, so it is aimed at benefiting the states of Jharkhand and West Bengal, so across the river Damodar. So Bakra Nangal, already I told you, the highest gravity dam in the world. It was built across the river Satluj. Yeah, so Bakra Nangal project, so built across the river Satluj. Yeah, so the states get benefited by this project where Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. So they are in western part of India. So Satluj, so it is a part of river Indus. Okay, so Bakra Nangal project was built across the river Satluj, so a tributary of river Indus. Okay, so the benefit states were Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. So the border states of Pakistan. So Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Then Hirakud project, so the longest dam in the world. Yeah, so this project was constructed along the river Mahanadi. Yes, Mahanadi, it flows through Odisha state. Okay, so it flows through Odisha. So here they mention as Odisha. So now the name was changed as Odisha. So Hirakud Dam, so longest dam in the world, so built across the river Mahanadi. So the benefit state was Odisha. So from Hirakud project, so Odisha get more benefit. So Odisha gets the hydropowers and also used the project, so higher project for irrigation purpose and also for controlling flood and also for various other purposes. Okay, so the multi-purpose project. Then Kosi project, so built across the river Kosi. So Kosi project, so it was a tributary of river Ganga. So it originated in Nepal and enters into India in Bihar state. Okay, so the beneficiary state were Bihar and also Nepal also get benefited. So Nepal, so not a state of India, yes, it is a country. I think you know well. So Nepal, a country, and also Bihar, an Indian state, get benefited by this Kosi project. Then Tungabhadra project. So Tungabhadra, so it was built across the river Tungabhadra. So Tungabhadra, it is a tributary of river Krishna. Okay, so river Krishna that flows in Karnataka and Andhra. Okay, so Tungabhadra project, so the states get benefited was Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So Tungabhadra, it flows over Karnataka and Andhra, so tributary of river Krishna. Okay, so Tungabhadra project, so the benefited states were Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Then Teri Dam, so it was built across the river Bhagirathi. So Bhagirathi, which name was called as Bhagirathi? River Ganga. Yes, river Ganga. On its origin, it was called as Bhagirathi. So then later only it was called as river Ganga. So the origin point, so Bhagirathi. So the dam was constructed on the river Bhagirathi. So the benefit state was Uttarakhand. So the dam was built in the state of Uttarakhand. So the benefit state was Uttarakhand. Okay, so which is in north of India. So the state get benefited by Teri Dam project was Uttarakhand. Then Chambal Valley project. So it was built across the river Chambal. So Chambal, it was the tributary of river Yamuna. So Yamuna itself a tributary of Ganga. So Chambal, a tributary of river Yamuna. So Chambal Valley project. So the benefit states were Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. So Chambal, so it flows through Madhya Pradesh. So the states get benefited by Chambal river. So Chambal Valley project was Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Then Nagarjuna Sagar project. So it was constructed. It was built across the river Krishna. So Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, it was built across the river Krishna. So river Krishna, so one of the important peninsular river. Okay, so one of the important peninsular river. So Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, which was built across the river Krishna. So the state get benefited by Nagarjuna Sagar was Andhra Pradesh. The state get benefited by Nagarjuna Sagar was Andhra Pradesh. Then Sardar Sarovar project. So it was built across the river Narmada. So Narmada, so the state get benefited by Sardar Sarovar project where Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. And also Gujarat. So Gujarat also get benefited by this project. So Sardar Sarovar project. So the state get benefited by this project was Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. So Narmada river. So what was the importance of Narmada river? It is the west flowing river. It is one of the west flowing river. So Narmada Tapti. So we have discussed in our first lesson now. So Narmada river. So Sardar Sarovar. It was a dam constructed across Narmada river. So the states get benefited by Sardar Sarovar project where Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. So Indira Gandhi Canal project. So a canal, so constructed from the river Sutlej. So already we have discussed a project in river Sutlej. So what was that? Highest gravity dam in the world. So I have gave you a clue. Yeah, Bakranangal project. Yes, apart from that, so they constructed a canal from the river Satluj. Yeah, so that is Indira Gandhi Canal project. You can see in this map. Yeah, so the states get benefited by the Indira Gandhi Canal project where Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana. Yeah, so already by Bakranangal project, so these states only get benefited. Yeah, so Indira Gandhi Canal project. So the states get benefited where Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana. Yeah. So the last one, Metru Dam, which was built across the river Kaveri. So the most important multi-purpose project in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so the state get benefited by the Metru Dam was Tamil Nadu. Yeah. So the Metru Dam, so the important multi-purpose project, so which was constructed across river Kaveri in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so we have discussed about the 11 multi-purpose project. Okay, so Damodar Valley, Bakranangal, Hirakud, Kosi, Tungabhadra, Teri, Chambal Valley, Nagarjuna Sagar, Sardar Sarovar, Indira Gandhi Canal, then Mettur. Yeah, so we have discussed with a picture and also a state and also the benefit state. Okay, so the river in which the projects were constructed and also the states get benefited. So we have discussed. Okay, so this is a very important one. Okay, so, okay students, so today's class we have discussed about the multi-purpose project, multi-purpose river valley project of India. Okay, so take your homework. So take page number 169. 8th Roman letter, answer in a paragraph. So second question, what is multi-purpose project and write about any two multi-purpose project of India. So answer page number 159 and 161. Yeah, 159. So multi-purpose river valley project. So mark that paragraph fully. Then come to page number 161. So there are 11 projects. So they asked to mention about two multi-purpose projects. Yeah. So just to mention the second and third one. Yeah. So write as I dictate you. Yeah. So first put the heading as Bakranangal project. Then first point. So Bakranangal project, it is the highest gravity dam in the world. So first point is, it is the highest gravity dam in the world. Then second point, it was built across the river Satluj. Then third point, the state get benefited by Bakranangal project where Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. So 3 points. The next heading, Hirakud project. So first point, it is the longest dam in the world. Then second point, it was built across the river Mahanadi. Then third point, the state get benefited by Hirakud project was Odisha. So you have to write the page number 159. So the multi-purpose river valley project. So that paragraph fully. Then you have to put the heading as Bakranangal project and write the points which I told you. Then next heading Hirakud project and write the points which I have told you. Okay, so textbook reading. So read that box, page number 161. So the project, name of the project, river and benefit state. Yeah, so read it fully. Okay, okay students. So if you have any doubt, so call me. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss about agriculture. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.
Multipurpose projects. The major multipurpose projects of India are as follows. The Bakranangal project. It is one of the highest dams of the world. It is built on the river Satluj. The lake created by this dam is called Gobind Sagar Lake. It provides water to more than 14 lakh hectares of land in Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. It provides electricity to Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Delhi and Himachal Pradesh. The Hirakud Dam, built on river Mahanadi, is the longest dam in India. It irrigates the land in Orissa and supplies electricity. The Damodar Valley project on river Damodar irrigates the land in Bihar and West Bengal. River Damodar was earlier called the Sorrow of Bengal. The Tungabhadra project on river Tungabhadra has 3 canals which helps to irrigate land in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. The Indira Gandhi Canal in Rajasthan has already proved its utility. A large wheat farm near Suratgarh has come up with the help of water provided from this project. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is built across River Narmada to provide water to the dry areas of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Objections have been raised against such multipurpose projects as they tend to destroy many villages. Many a times, dams also cause destruction to rich farmland and forest areas. The projects like Tehri Dam project in Uttarakhand were being opposed for this reason. After being completed, this is providing electricity and water to Uttarakhand, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Pollution of water. Water is a very precious natural resource, but we tend to pollute it. Washing dirty clothes, throwing industrial waste into the rivers, bathing of animals, etc. pollute the water. Precious marine life is killed due to some human activities. Even the purifying process cannot supply us with pure drinking water if our water sources are polluted this way. Deforestation, overuse of precious resources, and increase in population is responsible for water scarcity. We must use water resources judiciously.